Disposable cameras in 2026 are pure vibes. No retakes, no filters, no "let me check the shot." You just click and hope. And somehow that's what makes the photos feel more real. Here are the best disposable pics depending on what you're shooting. Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400. This is the classic throw it in your bag and you're ready disposable. It's super beginner friendly because the built-in flash makes it usable indoors, at night, or at parties where lighting is usually trash. The 400 speed film is a nice middle ground. Bright enough for daytime, but still flexible for indoor shots with flash. In real use, it's perfect for birthdays, hangouts, concerts, and casual travel, where you want candid photos that look nostalgic without trying too hard. The photos come out with that classic disposable look, slightly softer detail, a bit of grain, and colors that feel warm and fun. If you want one disposable that works for almost everything, this is the safe pick. Check the description for the product link. Kodak Tri-X 400. This one is for people who want that gritty, timeless black and white look. Tri-X is legendary for contrast and character. You don't shoot this expecting clean images. You shoot it for mood. Think street photography, dramatic lighting, rainy days, old buildings, portraits with strong shadows. In real use, it's amazing when you want photos that feel like they came from a film documentary. It handles a lot of lighting situations well, especially if you're shooting outside or in places with interesting shadows. If you want your photos to look more artistic and less like a casual disposable snap, this is the one. Check the description for the product link. Fujifilm QuickSnap 800 waterproof. This is the beach trip disposable. The main reason you buy this is the waterproof shell. Pool days, ocean swims, water parks, rainy hikes, even messy festivals where your phone would be stressed. The 800 speed film helps in lower light, which is nice because underwater shots or cloudy beach days can be darker than you think. Real talk. Underwater disposable photos are always a gamble, but when they hit, they look insanely cool and nostalgic. This is perfect for vacations, outdoor adventures, and any situation where you want real photos without risking your phone. Check the description for the product link. Ilford ILFOCOLOR Rapid Single Use. This one is a fun color option if you want a different vibe from the usual Fujifilm disposables. ILFOCOLOR tends to give you a slightly different color character, more film-like and a bit less polished, which is kind of the point. It's great for daylight street shots, travel, and casual portraits where you want that retro look without editing. In daily use, it's the type of disposable you take on a weekend trip and just document everything: food, friends, random scenes, sunsets, and it comes back with that imperfect charm. It's simple, easy, and gives you photos that feel authentic. Check the description for the product link. Ilford HP5 35mm B and W. HP5 is the black and white choice when you want a classic look but with flexibility. It's known for handling different lighting situations really well and giving you that clean but still film grain texture. This is a great pick if you like shooting people, street scenes, or travel shots and want them to feel timeless. The results usually have a nice balance. Good detail, good contrast, and a moody vibe without being too harsh. In real use, HP5 is the kind of black and white film that makes everything look more serious and cinematic, even if you're just photographing everyday moments. Check the description for the product link. If you want the easiest all-round disposable, QuickSnap Flash 400 is the safe pick. For beach and pool adventures, go QuickSnap 800 waterproof. For black and white mood and character, Tri-X and HP5 are both great depending on how gritty you want it, and if you want a fun color alternative, ILFOCOLOR Rapid is a solid option. Check the description for the product links.